Hey, what's going on there, peeps? It's Brian, by myself again today. Gary's got important things to do. But anyway, what I'm going to be working on today is getting the carbon fiber laid onto the halves of the transmission tunnel. So I'm just getting it cleaned up now. I had to do a little touch-up painting up there. So just getting it all cleaned up, wiped down, dust-free. I got another layer of cleaning to do here. And then I'm going to start trying to lay the carbon fiber down in one piece and see how that goes. I'm sure it'll be exciting. But anyway, we'll throw you guys on a time lapse and we'll see how it goes. And we'll give you an update in a little bit. See you in a little bit. Well, hey folks, welcome back. And as you just watched me for quite a while, it was 45 minutes of my time. Who knows how long it is in time lapse. But I kind of got the form laid out on the driver's side of the tunnel. It's got the first glue down. So I gotta wait for some period of time for this to dry. Give it a light sand to get some of the peaks out of there, if there are any peaks from the glue. With like an 800 or something, just to see if it's smooth, and then lay another layer of epoxy on top of it to give it that nice shiny, like it is shiny in some places, not in others because it's soaked in enough. So we're gonna let this side dry and then continue on with another one. So I'm gonna take a little break and then I'll come back when this one's dry. Catch you a little bit, peeps. Well, hey, what's going on there, peeps? It's Brian, just me again. I was doing some more stuff. You saw me on the, there I switched to the passenger half side of the trans tunnel. And got that all kind of epoxied in there pretty good. There's a couple coats already on there. Looks like it's holding together pretty good. And over here, kind of drying off by itself, is the driver's side of the trans tunnel, looking all shiny and carbon fibery. So, like I said, I'm not a carbon fiber wrapping person, so once all this dries, then I'll be able to go through and trim off all the excess that's on here. I get a good clean line on it, and then we're going to put some like weather stripping around the edges to kind of seal it against the floor. And then I think we will be done with a trans tunnel. So who knows? We'll see how it looks in the morning. Well, not morning. I gotta work in the morning. We'll see how it looks tomorrow evening. All right there, peeps. Until next time, we'll catch you later. Have a good one. Peace.